I am the one that came on the internet and said, I hate my hairline. I said, it's not like I don't have hair. I've got lots of hair and it's long, but I just hate my hairline. He's done a thing. Makakumuli wiki. People, utshela mina ukuthi ngikhumula iwiki yami ye 12,000 when uzongiphi 10,000. Uzongipani. One of my shoes can buy all of you. Your furniture, an apartment, and everything in it. Uzongipani.
Nacha.
Uzongipani. Isikhathulo sami siyi-1. Sikuthenga. Yabona ama-donation bowafuna izolo. You can take this shoe. Yes, it's called the Christian Louboutin Soul Cage. This shoe alone can solve your problems for the rest of your life. This shoe alone.
Yeah.
Lesicathulo phiwe singasolva inkinga zakho nezomndeni wakho for the rest of your life. Wena ufuna ukuchallenge mina ukuthi mangakhumula iwiki uzongiphi 10,000. Wena uzopha mina 10,000. Mbolekeni. One other thing, it's in the my love. Njengoba wena uthanda ukuhamba ngathi ukuthi thina sa divorce. This was my shoe that I wore on my wedding 11 years ago. It's called the Benjamin Adams. This one. To date, I can tell you, all your wardrobe put together. Google Benjamin Adams. Now, it's called the Benjamin Adams. Google it. It doesn't amount to even a pair of a shoe that I wear. But let me tell you why I don't flex with these things. They are mine. I work for them. They don't invalidate imisebenzi yabanye abantu or what they do for their families. Just so you know. That's why I said earlier, homeowners will never come on this platform and say, Mina, show me your title deed. Usapatali rent. Maru ufunu kompita nabantu. Mara, let me tell you, homeowners, because they pay levies, they pay services, they pay this and that, utilities. They will never come on the internet and say, I'm a homeowner, because we know the struggles of being a homeowner and what it comes with. Parents that pay fees at private institutions will never come on the internet and say, Mina bantwana bami bafunde private school, because why? We know ukuthi asilali ama-hairline njengoba singanawo sifaka ama-week. It's because sibhadala school fees. Ama-hairline wethu adliwa ukuthi sibhadala school fees. Just so you know. Mina umamami makagula angeni ku-internet ngicela ama-donation. I know I need to stand up and work my ass off. That's why I will never come here and say, Mina umamami ngiyamondla, mina ubabami ngiyamondla. Piwe, maybe nijwayele amantombazana that don't have fathers. I've got a present father. And I thank God every day that my parents are still together and they are alive and they are healthy. It's not a flex, it's a blessing. It's called grace. That's why I flex say. So when amantombazana life in yako anganabo baba because their fathers went to buy milk and never came back. Our fathers chose us from inception and they stayed. I don't have to open my legs to get bread. And that is grace. It's not because I know better. It's called grace. And that's why I respect that blessing. And that's why I'm humbled all the time. I don't need to be chosen by a man like you that has 1 million followers on TikTok to solidify and give me validation. Ubaba munkethe every day from inception. Baba mwangithandazela wangicela ngavela to date ngimdala ngingaka I'm 37 years old. But let me tell you something. When I go home or anytime, because my dad knows I like restaurants, if he sees my child hasn't been out, it goes off on him and he says to my mom, hey, no why ngaphu. Hey Nuku, he calls my mother Nuku. Nuku why man? I seem to make 700. I keep umntwana. That's my dad. He's present. So I don't lag. I don't lag a man's validation or love because I get it from home. And my love and light goes out to people that don't have fathers, but it's people like you that make us speak the way that we speak. Ngicabanga ukuthi sonke masihleli kule internet sihlalela ama donation, sihlalela validation yamadoda. No. Sakhethwa bobaba bethu before we were chosen by boyfriends and husbands. Before we were chosen by boyfriends and husbands. You can't talk to me about my husband. You've never paid even in tlawulo in the form of inkuku. Imagine talking about a man eyalobola yashada yayenza ingane yayinika ikhaya. You want to speak about that man? Ungakazi ukukhiphe nenkukhu ne-drumstick yenhlawulo. You want to talk about that man? Come correct, sir. Come correct. Know your files. Ufuna ukukhuluma ngendoda eyashada yamithisa yanika ikhaya. Mina i-birth certificate yomntanami it's unabridged. Inesibongo sakababakhe. Mawufuna ukukhompyutha nami I need to go Robzin uthi hey umponse video ya 20k likes asibeka ama birth certificate wabantwana. Another conversation. Asibeka ama birth certificate wabantwana. I've got one child by one man who is by his father's surname. Right now mangikhuluma now my child lives under iroof ethengwe ubabakhe. Talk to me about that. Wangitshela ngama likes. Numbers matters. We brand kulabo bantu hayi kimi. I did nothing to you. I didn't come for you. Don't call for me. Don't come for me when I didn't call for you. Do not come for me when I didn't call for you. Don't do that. I'm a realist. I know life yanisa. You can be here tomorrow and you can be here today and here tomorrow. Which is why we are so relatable. Which is why it's called emotional intelligence and we can empathize. You sit kule stulo leso wa donatelwa ama followers wako. Uround ilanga lonke upemile dikila. But when you are the same guy, okwazi ukutshela abantu ukuthi baveza abavula ama fridge. Ubatshela on what grounds ukuthi bavula ama fridge. 2 years ago, would you have told people ukuthi bavula ama fridge lesikhathi thina sithengela ama KFC nama Nando's? 2 years ago. 2 years ago.
Hada.
Hey. Jonga si imikoto.
1000 kakhokho. Ungayikhohlwa.
Jonga si imikoto.
3000.
An iPhone, a G63, a Lamborghini Urus, 4 properties, and another one at Clifton. You've never been like, sir. Your biggest holiday was Mpumalanga. You've never even been to Clifton. You've never hired an entire house at Bantry Bay. Maybe man need to Bantry Bay. It sounds foreign to you. You think you're Tony passport. No. It's just in Cape Town. Come correct. Just don't think because we sit with you around the same table, we are equal to you. But we know. The things that we have access to is not because we know better. It's called grace. It's grace. That's why we are grateful and humble at the same time. So ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba wena ama followers wakho imagine izoluhlelela ivinity uRobzin makavula ifridge avula ibank account sibone mina ngizodlala imatch eyi1 so wena ukuthi bank account yakhe isukume usadepende kubo labantu bathukayo lama followers wakho la wathepha iscreen agiftayo akudonatelayo kumele bazibuza ukuthi if you can speak about this about uRobzin like this mina mangidonate 100 rand namhlanje sasa what is he going to say to people about me? If Utando was once a close friend of his, if Unati was someone that once sent him imali ye petrol when he was stuck, nabantwana besikolo, but today was Utugunati. If Rihanna is someone that once paid his Wi-Fi and sent him money for podcast yakhe, but khona kumthuka namhlanje, sasuyothini ngami? You are an adult, you're a father, you're a man. Paying rent is standard. It's a basic, it's like basic. You're not doing anything special. That's what you, let me tell you when we recognize that as special. We recognize it in the form you are blessed because there's so many other people in this economy and in this country that can't afford it. That's when it's a blessing, not a flex. Being able to put food on the table is not a flex, it's a blessing. And the day you realize that is the day life will make a lot of sense to you. Wangithuka mina la wathi uthanda unama iPhone angaka akakhona ukusiza abantu akasipha ama iPhone yeke angihlanye. I know when to help and how to help, but I will never overextend myself for the comfort of others while I suffer. It doesn't work like that. Emotional intelligence tells you ukuthi when you are fed by the hungry, you humble yourself, you appreciate everything because you do not bite the hand that feeds you. You don't bite. Skanyela sidiba. Zoshisa kusasa. Ukakile kulesa sihlahla. Udinga umthunzi uyohlala phi? Ngoba kuyobe kunuka amasini. Uyohlala phi?
TikTok wena.
Uyohlala phi? Uthando lo umthuka today once fed you, even if it was one night or 1 hour. But there was a time in your life when you thought, Angnani, let me call Thando.
Sasthando,
The time where I was
it breaks, Sasthando.
Angena. Hayi abomzala abangizwisisi kahle. So ngitshela uPhiwe ne. Ngithi kuPhiwe mzala. Phela utshela abantu bakho ukuthi bangangizondi. But I should pin my account now.
Pin your account number, Sasthando. Pin.
Hayi bayidlale futhi icela ibuye lento angizwele kahle yiwo bengutelefoni.
Easy. Ungene live uthi izolo. Yazi ngabe ungizwile izolo nathi athi ebantwini. I know so much about yini oyaziyo ukuthi ashada sa divorce. Yini oyaziyo wazini? Yini oyaziyo engashintsha impilo zethu? And anything that we've went through is called life. It's nothing special. It's called life. Awunayigaxa ngathi. Life. Awunasigaxa. Awuna video yami ngenza itrisama sisigaxa. Uchazwa ukuthi mawungenela elive yakho utshela abantu ukuthi oh she's a divorcee. It's called life. Asisigaxa. It's called life. Ucabanga ukuthi mawungenela elive yakho uthi ubaba omntana kaThando washona. Unesigaxa. It's called life, Slima.
Ngangakhohlwa uPhiwe wathi ngijana nobaba wasemfulo oyi-taxi driver and uzomposta. 3 years later, I'm still waiting for him to post.
Wena wangena la ku-TikTok wathi unathi ujola ne-kingpin yama-taxi. Abantu badonate abamele isithombe se-kingpin. Iphi?
Not today. And mina ngithi upost u-kingpin because phela uma usupost u-kingpin wamateksi awusalwi nami solwa no-kingpin poster. I dare you.
Uka no-kingpin and uyokuceda yo fokonont. Ekagwa.
Msungaphiwe.
Nina, my followers gapiwe. One thing you need to understand. I respect content creators and people that make their money off of TikTok. There's nothing wrong with that. If I had in niche, TikTok, and I found a way to make money here, I would. Because I like money. There's nothing wrong with people that make money off of TikTok. But don't drag other people. Make your money, eat nice, keep quiet. Cabanga iphila of strength yakho le ubaby daddy wakho indoda ekukhamisayo. Mayingena ku TikTok ilwa namanye amadoda athi akangibonisa ivideo na 20k likes. 20k likes. 20k likes doesn't even cover half of my levies, sir. 20k fucking likes doesn't even cover half of my levies. Calm down. 20k likes on a video for what? Numbers don't lie. Clearly numbers lie, you still broke. Clearly numbers lie, you still fucking broke. And your biggest achievement is an iPhone box. Clearly numbers lie. You still fucking broke. Maybe if you're Elon Musk, I'd say numbers don't lie. Years later, clearly numbers lie because you still fucking broke. And you still pinning your account number. So numbers lie. Numbers lie. You still fucking pinning your account number. Go make. You can't even. The way you fail at keeping people in your life. Dominique is very influential. You couldn't even keep the Dominique so that you could open doors because why? You are so full of it. You are in your head. Wonke umuntu osempilweni yakho wena ulwa naye akupheli kahle. Why? We victim wena. Phela le bullying esiyenza kuPhiwe if bekuyi rape. Ngabe siyabo Ananias Mati. I'm telling you. If le bullying uPhiwe iclaim ukuthi yenza kuye beyi rape ngabe siyabo Ananias Mati. We are not quiet because we are stupid. We are quiet because you are a non-factor. You are fucking useless. Rape, it doesn't matter. We are quiet because you are not worth it. And we understand, Uguti, when we talk our truth, it's gonna fumble with your bag. That's why we are quiet. And we know you are a father. You've got children to feed. That's why we are quiet.
Tando.
Okay.
It's time. Nangu Captain Amasim. Isikhathi sokuthandaza manje u-12 Thando.
Njengengane yakho sithi angithandazele mina ngiyi-one naye inkosi yakhe sihlangane ekhaya. Igama lami nguphiwe baba nami ngifuna balelekise
Hayi, ushaba uthi.
Shaba islima kabi.
Shaba kislayela.
Nathi ithi ngitshele ngiyutha lapha. And wena yazi angisumuntu, I don't know how to swear, but Pretoria's teaching me on a daily. Wena mtetao usijwayela kabi wena kahle lo usijwayela kabi yazi lo usijwayela kabi wena phini wena usijwayela kabi yazi ngithi ngicobise ngibe muhle and mina ungibheke kahle ne my lip wear is MAC or Christian Dior angisile ifebe lezi sihlala lapha epanelini yakho ne makeup ye NYX ya drugstore angiphapheli mina angithengi grocery nempahla ebasketini e1 angithi manje uthenga impahla negrocery sigcwale trolley ne1 no I know where to buy clothes, where to buy groceries and where to buy makeup, okay tawayila amateka abakupha wona la ku internet bona ukuthi usiphaphele tawayila amateki lawa abakudonatela wona la ubona ukuthi usiphaphele bakudonatela amatekinyana la namhlanje sewuyayazi iphone call ukuthi yini 3 months ago lesikhathi leyifebe zakho la ku TikTok zidonatela amateki bongayazi iphone call ugqoka every day because why invest white white is standard. Why is it an achievement to you? Why invest white achievement kuwe? Hey, but guys, imagine me sitting here on Beyonce's internet and I'm like, I'm going to buy a bra and panties at bras and things. That's basic. That's standard. Imagine me flexing here saying I don't drink tap water. How is that a flex? I wouldn't do la masimbo wenzayo. Wangiphapheli. Ngingiphapheli. And ukhulume banganini bami. And njengoba ngikhuluma kanje, angikhulumeli mina. Ngiyi-one ngikhulumela nabangani bami, ngikhulumela uNathi, uTiya, uRihanna. Noxolo, noLolo. Bonke abangani bami labo othi bakenza ama-victim bakhulumela bonke. And ungazositshela ukuthi oh kube bebangakhulumi ngami they wouldn't have the number. Sikhuluma ngawo ngoba ukhulume ngathi Msume. Sikhuluma ngawo ngoba ukhulume ngathi. Angivukanga namhlanje ngathi ngidecide ukukhuluma ngoPhiwe. Ngikhuluma ngawe because ukhulume ngami. uTiya ukhupha ngani? Ukhupha ngani uTiya? Uhlangana naphi noTiya? uTiya wenza i-makeup online class. Wenzani wena? Sikhuphe. Uyahamba uyo advertise i-makeup online class nala ntombazana lawa live wakho la athenga i-makeup e-signature. And you want to compete with Christian Dior? Calm down, sir, please. Since makeup online class, ubiza le khuphepe zakho ne makeup yase signature. Labantu bakabathi mabathenga makeup bathenge neimpahla nama-panty liner. Lamantombazana wakathi mawahleli lapha yawatshela ukuthi bavuza ama-panty liner. Come correct when you come for us. Tini panty liner sifaka before, 2 days before ama period and 2 days after. After that, we are clean. We drink our okra. We are clean girls. We drink our cranberry. Because we know and we understand. Every day uphiwe. Every day uphiwe. Yeah, amantombazana ipanty line. Xa uthi ipanty line achievement yazi ama-panty line 36 rand. Ungakhulumi nami ungana panty line. Ama-panty line 136 rand ngitshela. 36 rand ama-panty line 100. And the day you understand ukuthi sanitary pads the day you understand ukuthi sanitary pads are such and women's vaginal health is such a sensitive topic in South Africa, you will stop flexing about ama-panty liner. Tawu ukudla imali zeyicathulo zabantwana besikolo. Cawanga ukuthi sikhohliwe. Very sensitive ide. It's a very sensitive topic. There's how many women in South Africa baphela ngama-newspaper. When uhleli la uhlekisa ngabo ukuthi baphela ngama-tissues. Thulile sibhekile. Siyahleka because we are thinking you mean no harm. Bazositakela. That's why barisikolo si very important. I love you too much. Kurata too much. I give her to catch a smoke. Hey, Kuntite. Tabi is my girl. I don't want her to catch smoke. How? Jalo behlala kundizi ikuda la. Guys, I'm gonna have to go because my son is downstairs and I've been neglecting him for the longest time. In about 20 minutes, I'm gonna have to go. No. My son, Mamela, drama. Mina present parent. And yes, when my son is sitting downstairs.
Yeah, I understand them guy.
Mina lang gonna divide the team. Divide the team. And I'm not saying that as a flex, it's a blessing, which is why I'll never mention it. I'm divided by Ketin, Mina Nomtana Mona people, and Umtana Mina Nimbon Ngesho. Mtana Mushiwa, you must follow in everything land by you. We are a part-time parent thinking he can come here and drag us as full-time parents. And what about Samita because Samita because Sakanya, Samita because Sashada. Nashada, Nabaningani. There's a difference. I'm funny, is not my baby mama. Hey, before you laban laba batuki media mina. Batuki media mina. So you sugar be media. And I still say, and I'm standing on 10 toes. Imediako, what we said is, she's a beautiful hand. You need to pull up your socks because our people boys, will figure and they're gonna do the most, and you're gonna lose that girl because she's beautiful. And we Sati, you've got a beautiful daughter. You should wake up and go to work. Hey, Iblani, I just remembered when are you focusing on Lencha? When I'm soon, Newton. Hey, Newton.
Muta. Simutile hada.
When are you rubbish? Your rubber neck. Sharp. Ungani, umzala wethu. Sharp. Hi, samba nomzala kumnandi. Siyaqabana here and there. Sharp. Because abantu basePitori. And ngikhumbuzwa ukuthi uMaji just got on the line. Because abantu basePitori, abantu ekunguthi they were always the ones that, like, truth be told, let's give Pretoria its flowers when it comes to TikTok, right? Because even when it comes to gifting and money, Pretoria has always been ahead. Pitori Limpopo has always been ahead. Yabo? So sharp. Hi, go into my gift. Let's hope let's invite when you panel. I don't know if you guys remember panel yabo Lukman, Nabo Luxi, Nabo and all the others that were there. Shabu Ukinewe is like I no lerato. They like I mzala wa meng mazi yo who go through things, what, and they were big gifters at that time. So they invite him on the panel. And at that time, Tina Vele, siyalwa nomzala, so uphume kithi, bam-invite epanelini. Lenja, baba-invite epanelini, bayifake u-big screen so, mamela. Kula vele thina nathi besicala ukubona ama-Ferrari, ama-what, hey, what, kitty, what. Bam-gift uphiwe, bam-gift. It was our first time seeing someone sitting, and this is like 2-3 years ago. It was our first time seeing someone sit on like 62K gifts, and we were happy for him, you know. Bam gift. Mara because bo look men, they are fathers and they are providers. This is what they say. I knew to look men. Ungani this was kazi amehlo agcwele inyembezi ugwinya amafinyela. Athi kulabantu laba kufanele yabolusi labo athi kubo ulukmena avula mic athi kuye mbuze mina TikTok is not stable. It's not where one can say they make their money. What can we do for you in your life and sustain after this life? Yabo? Oh, is one slim. Umngani wenu yabo mangapenda istudio ngithola istulo mangapenda istudio ngithola istulo. Hey, amadoda ama-provider athi mamela la wena phuma ku TikTok yini ongayenza on a day to day that can sustain you and your children. What do you do for a living? Eventually, he's like, oh, I used to be a transport driver for kids, but why did you stop? Then he says, no, it could be I broke down. Do you know what Lukman said? Lukman Arkoena, how much do you need to fix Basi A? Because remember, if I've got Banabaskolo by 30, Bakiba transport, I'm guaranteed an income. But TikTok is on and off. It's not a guaranteed income. So Lukman Arkoena, Basia how we batabukai, Itokabukai would be sharp. What's the problem? And then he says, hey, Gufe has what part? And then Barcoin, okay. I think he said 8,500. Mind you, 62 coins. Ati he part the Pugile Passini Funa 8.5. But oh, okay, sharp, no stress. Rumela account number. Mamela, we were watching that live. Actually, account number. Oh, but for another boys, but pay and here. But I think they need up to me like 10,000 clean. But I'm going to see Pasu 7 TikTok is a whole clean. Ah, Lenja, you know what he did?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Hayibo ngithi ngena ku-TikTok ngithola abagrila awuphiwe ugrilwa ngithando. Apparently uphiwe uthe kuthando akakhiphe iweave akhumule iweave otomniketa 10k. Uthando was fuming saying ukuthi hayibo qanga ukuthi uyini wena. Qanga ukuthi ngibani wena mina ngikhiphe iweave yami for ukuthi wena uphe 10k. Do you know how much money I have mina? Wena mina sicathulo sami singathenga yonke i-wardrobe yakho, sicathulo sami sinye singathenga konke lonako wena, sithenge konke ele family yakho inako. Qanga ukuthi ngibani wena ujoyelela abantu batane lathanza imali anganalutho atatatele kwesibheka vela ikhumuli iweave afunela 10k lo ngithola kuma donations. Ungalinge wena. Oh guys ngiyacala kuva abagrila aphiwe inkosi yami emzala, bamgrila emzala bamgrila bamshiya ashile. Yo guys, I really feel sorry for uphiwe yadi because ngimbona umuntu lo right inkosi yami hlezi asetha abantu ngema-donations umuntu uyadzinga lusito basetele abantu abaningi bomakwaqoqo. But today ndiyamkhalela ngenxa yokuthi athi kuthanda kakhumuli Domniketa 10K. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.